Hi there, here's a quick demonstration on how to make a pivot table in Excel. And I'm going to use the Coyote radio collar data for one of the labs. So what I've done here is I've selected the coyotes that are falling within the home ranges, and I've got them all selected in the attribute table. I can use the copy feature. You can see that I've got 932 out of 984 selected, and I've just copied them. And then I went over to Excel and created a new sheet just by using the plus, and then did a Control-V to paste those records in here. And so what we want to do, the goal of a pivot table, is to basically just get a count of all the unique values in our raster value field. These are the different land, fire, vegetation type codes. So we want to know for all of the point locations, coyote point locations within that general home range, how often does land cover type 3181 appear? What proportion of the total population is using this land cover type? And so what you do is you select the record. Maybe just do it old school. I'll just show you. I'm certain there's a keyboard shortcut that will take you down to the end. Then insert pivot table. And it's going to pop up a little wizard. Select a table or range. We've already done that, and we want to put it in this existing worksheet. I find that easier. Then it says location, and I just usually highlight a couple of cells, 2 columns, somewhere near the top, and then hit OK. And it's going to open a panel on the side. And I'm going to shrink this down so you can see what I'm doing. All right. So here's the interactive window that we're going to use to set this up. And what we want is that raster value. Drag that down to the rows. And we don't want to sum. We don't want to add those all up. We want a count of them. Move over you. So I'm going to just drop this down and change the value setting to count. And you can see that it's updated to 932, which is the total number of points that we had selected. If we want to rank these, you drop down the row labels and more sort options. And we want to sort them descending, not based on raster value, but on the count of the raster value. And now we've got those sorted descending. So land cover type 3081 is the most commonly used, highest proportion, and down on. So from here, what you're going to do is calculate the proportion, what proportion of 932 points is each one of these. And then you'll compare that to what's available for the coyotes. So that's pivot tables.